Good day, everyone. My name is Vishul Nyog, and today I'll be presenting my research proposal titled Between Trendy and Creepy Shopper Perceptions of Data Driven Personalization in Fashion. This study explores how consumers feel about recommendation systems used by fashion apps and whether they see them as helpful or invasive. So, the background of the study. So, personalization is now central to how we shop online, especially in fashion. Apps like Zara and H&M suggest items based on browsing history, past purchases, or even demographics. So, but while users find this helpful, others feel it's a bit intrusive or even creepy. So, this study seeks to understand how shoppers experience this emotionally and linguistically. So, the problem statement. So, while personalization tech is advancing, there's still a gap in understanding how users actually interpret these experiences. Are they comfortable? Do they feel watched? This proposal aims to investigate these feelings through in depth qualitative research. So, the research objectives. The three objectives are to explore what users think of personalization, how they talk about it, and what emotional reactions they have to it, whether positive or negative. So, the research questions. These two research questions guide the study. So, the questions are, how do consumers describe recommendation algorithm? Is it helpful or intrusive? And what language do shoppers use to express comfort or discomfort with personalization? So we want to know how shoppers describe these tools and how their language reveals their level or of comfort or unease. So the scope of the study. So the scope is limited to fashion app users in Thailand, mainly in urban settings. We are using interviews and online commentary as our primary data sources. And the significance of the study is like this research is important for fashion retailers to improve how they design these systems and avoid alienating users. It also adds to the broader conversation on ethical data use in marketing. So the literature review, literature review draws from privacy theory, surveillance capitalism, and consumer psychology. I also include discourse analysis to frame how we study the language of emotional responses. And the research methodology is this is a qualitative case study using semi structured interviews and discourse analysis. We also gather supplementary data from Reddit and TikTok fashion communities to broaden the data set. So the next slide is sampling and recruitment. So participants are selected using purposive sampling, people who actively use these apps and engage with personalized recommendations. And the data collection tools. So we'll use recorded interviews with an open-ended question guide, screenshots from user experiences, and online community posts will also enrich the data. So the data analysis, data will be analyzed thematically, looking for patterns in meaning and discursively, focusing on the actual words people use to describe how they feel. And the key themes are like these are some early anticipated themes based on preliminary reading and pilot interviews. We expect to see a spectrum from appreciation to suspicion, and the ethical considerations, like all ethical procedures will be followed, including informed consent, participant anonymity, and secure data storage. The timeline here is the projected timeline. We anticipate completing all interviews and analysis within 9 weeks. And the limitations, yes, being a qualitative study, the findings are not generalizable, but will provide deep insight. The cultural and contextual focus is also specific to Thailand, and the expected contributions are this research aims to give brand users centered insights and promote ethical, user friendly personalization design. So that's it. That's it for my presentation. Hope you all liked it. If you have any questions, please follow up on it. Thank you.